The ketogenic diet has gained significant popularity in recent years, promising dramatic weight loss and improved energy levels. However, as with any dietary change, there are adjustments your body must make. And one common challenge many face when starting a keto diet is the so-called keto flu. Today, we will take a closer look at what the keto flu is, what to expect, and how to effectively cope with it. As you embark on your keto journey, your body learns to shift from burning carbohydrates for energy to burning fat. This transition can lead to a constellation of symptoms, commonly referred to as the keto flu. These symptoms often mimic those of a regular flu, which is how the term originated, but rest assured, the keto flu is not an actual illness. Typically, the onset of keto flu occurs within the first 2 to 7 days of adopting a ketogenic diet. Common symptoms include fatigue, headaches, irritability, nausea, difficulty sleeping, and concentration issues. It's important to highlight that not everyone experiences keto flu, and symptoms can range from mild to severe depending on the individual. The root cause of keto flu is the significant decrease in carbohydrates. Carbs are a primary energy source, and when they're drastically reduced, your body must switch to breaking down fat into ketones, a different energy form. During this metabolic switch, you may find yourself feeling less than optimal. Additionally, a reduction in carbohydrate intake leads to decreased water retention, often causing rapid loss of water and electrolytes, such as sodium, potassium, and magnesium, which can contribute to the symptoms you experience. Coping with keto flu largely involves maintaining adequate hydration and replenishing lost electrolytes. Ensuring that you drink enough water daily is essential, but it's also important to supplement your diet with foods rich in these electrolytes, or even consider taking a supplement. Consuming bone broth, avocados, nuts, and seeds can help in restoring these essential minerals. Gradually transitioning into the diet rather than making sudden drastic changes can also alleviate symptoms. This approach allows your body more time to adjust and minimizes the shock of change. Lastly, ensuring you maintain sufficient calorie intake and prioritizing a variety of nutrient-dense foods can support your energy levels and overall well-being during this adjustment period. In conclusion, while the keto flu can pose an initial hurdle, understanding its causes and implementing strategies to cope can make the transition smoother. Remember, every dietary change is a journey, and patience and self-care are key to success. Eventually, as your body adapts, many find the benefits of a ketogenic diet are well worth the temporary discomfort.